Hey guys, what's up? It's Annie, and today is another Ravens game day. Today the Ravens are taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers, and it is Big Ben's last game, so it's going to be a lot of excitement, a lot going on. I'm here in Baltimore, and let's go check out what's happening. Famous apple pie shot at Uncle Ed's tailgate. Cheers! Go Ravens! We are on the bridge to the stadium. And then if you look over here, they're now building this Topgolf right here that'll be just across from the stadium, right next to Horseshoe Casino. I think that is so cool. I've never been to Topgolf, but maybe I'll go. Do a dance. Christina's being shy today, but she won't after a few more drinks. She has all her Gore-Tex on. She's ready for the rain. And it is starting to rain. Made it for practice. It's definitely starting to rain now, but it's okay. We're just gonna get wet. It'll be fine. It smells like funnel cake, which is really strange. Oh, here we go. So it may be raining, but I am channeling Miami warm weather with my pants. You know, got that like palm tree vibes going on. Just felt like appropriate for today. I asked my Uncle Ed's friend Jack at the tailgate what he predicted for this game, and I was expecting him to say like whether the Ravens were gonna win or the Steelers were gonna win. All he said was wet. He predicted to be wet. So I think so far that's pretty accurate because we're already wet and the game is 42 minutes away. But you know, sometimes you just gotta embrace it, you know, and that's what we're doing today. We're embracing the rain. So it's exciting. Yeah, can I rip it? It's hot. I think we need to rip the neck. You need to rip the neck. Surprise! There you go. Christine, say hi. No. Where's the trash bag? It is now coming down. I always think that the Ravens, on a day like this where it's raining, should give out purple ponchos to every single person that comes in. You know, have them sponsored by whoever. But purple ponchos, so the whole stadium is purple. Because right now, everybody's got ponchos of a different shade, of a different color. So that would be a really good idea. Today, Terrell Suggs is the player of the game, or alum of the game, however you want to call it. And he's here today, which is pretty cool. Love Terrell Suggs. He has such great energy, you know? Not many players have the energy that he has, but pretty cool. He got the mask on. He's got the mask on. You know we love that mask. Playing. I like a little halftime entertainment. want to give a big shout out to the girls behind us. They're a bunch of Steelers fans. They really liked TJ Watt, and so every couple of minutes they screamed, what did they say? Go TJ! And TJ would either proceed to do something great or not great, but they really love TJ. So shout out to those girls. That was the end of our 2021 season. We lost to the Steelers, and they went on to the playoffs to lose to the Chiefs, which I was disappointed at. I was like, at least if you're gonna get to the playoffs, please beat the Chiefs. But no such luck. Yeah, that was the end of our 2021 season. It was still a fun season. I got to go to 4 home games, 2 in October, 1 in December, and 1 in January. I only filmed 2 of them, this one and the one in December. I'll link that one below just in case you missed it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Look out for more videos from me. And until the next vlog, bye guys.